Discipline against fury. The Roman line is perfect, but they have never faced a storm like this. This is the beginning. At the Allia, the legions are not just defeated, they are shattered.
They meet their fate as living statues, an embodiment of Roman authority.
All of Rome has fallen, except for this, the Capitoline Hill, the last hope. Incredible. Not the Watchmen, but Juno's sacred geese. 1,000 pounds of gold, the price of freedom. But this humiliation will never be forgotten.
Hey, Victus!
The Gauls are gone, leaving only ashes. They think Rome is finished. They are wrong.
From these ashes, a new resolve is forged. Rome is not built in a day, but on this day, it was reborn.